I never believed in invisible weapons until I stayed in that hotel on the edge of the diplomatic district. It started on a Tuesday night. Not a hum, but a grinding sound, like metal dragging across a chalkboard. But it wasn't coming from the hallway. It was coming from inside the center of my skull. I tried to sleep it off, assuming it was jet lag or a migraine. But when I turned off the lamp, the pressure in the room dropped. The air grew heavy, like static electricity clinging to my skin. I couldn't move. Sleep paralysis, I told myself. Just a nightmare. Then the grinding shifted. It became rhythmic, a focused beam of sound so intense it felt like it was physically rewriting the gray matter of my brain. Through the blurred, watering vision of my left eye, I saw it. Not a spy, not a soldier, but a shadow standing by the heavy velvet drapes. It didn't have a face, just a vibration where a head should be. The news later claimed it was mass hysteria, or perhaps crickets, or maybe a sonic device deployed by a foreign adversary. They were wrong. I know what I felt that night. The noise wasn't meant to hurt us. It was a frequency, a tuning fork. It was trying to vibrate our reality just enough to let something else step through. And now, even back home in the safety of the suburbs, whenever the house gets too quiet, I can still hear the grinding starting up again.